The second exercise, the frequency analysis. So if we go to our workbook and look at page 33, we've been given some values here from which we can draw a histogram. So we put them into a frequency table, and what we're going to come up with is something like this. I would suggest that you put it into Excel. High range, low, high range. You've got the middle value, how many of them there are, and then what we're going to do is we can do our calculations for the mean and the frequency, and then you can use the features in Excel for producing a graph. That's the easy way to do this. So that's the type of thing that I would be expecting handed in. The next part of the exercise is some ingot weights. I'll just go back to our workbook again, and on page 36 we're given some readings that have been taken in 2 shifts, which again can be put into a spreadsheet like so. You can see behind the shift for 8 to 4 and then 4 till 12, and they can be produced in a chart. Copy that and hand that in. That's the second part of that exercise.